What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have something that's truly amazing and something different for me and something different for the channel. You don't want to miss this one as I unbox this and do a brief review of what we just acquired here on No Pros.
Welcome to No Pros RC.
Alright guys, let's get this box open. There is a lot of tape on here. Oh man, what do we have? Okay, I got the box open and let's see what we can see from the side of the box there. Can you kind of tell? Huh? Can you? Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Yes. We here at No Pros RC have acquired our first construction excavator. Yep, that's right. We went on TikTok and we saw this being advertised and it looked fun. And all my life I always wanted to kind of learn how to operate these kind of equipment, but just never had the opportunity to, you know, be around construction to be able to do so. Here it is, our first excavator, and I have no idea how to control it. Looking at all these functions on here, you know, up, forward, back, turn left, turn right. Yeah, this is going to be a learning experience. So yeah, but I'm super excited to learn, so we can learn together. That's what we do here at No Pros RC. So let's just crack this thing open, shall we? All right, so unlike our other packages, this is only secured by one piece of tape right here. We're gonna crack that. Oh man, oh, look what we see. Look what we see. Right there at the opening. Y'all, we get to play with the excavator. Okay, all right, coming out the box off rip, we have the battery that you charge by USB. Get yourself a little Phillips screwdriver there. There's the USB right there. And let's bring out the excavator. We're gonna be moving some earth here eventually. Once we learn how to use it. Of course, it comes with the instructions right here. RC excavator. This is made in China. This is the blade. The blade itself is made out of metal, but just look at the, now I can't pronounce that right there. Yigong. Okay, Yigong. That's what we're going with. I really don't know too much about excavators, so I really can't. This is the boom. Here's your hydraulics here, and also here you have hydraulics. You have your tracks here, which is made of rubber. I don't think these wheels here move. I don't think they have to. It will still function without these actually moving, but you know, you'll still get that tracks feel regardless. What else can we see here? Here's your little exhaust mimicking. Of course, this would probably be some kind of diesel engine, but it's not diesel, it's electric, obviously. Yeah, let's get a 360 of this guy. Okay, after clearing some stuff out of the way, we're able to get a proper 360 of it. I just noticed that there is a guy at the controls in there. The attention to detail on this thing is pretty awesome. I'll give you a shout out quick. There's our guy. Let's get this controller unwrapped. Here you got forward, left, right, backwards, but you also, I don't uninstall. Are we uninstalling an app? What the hell does that mean? Maybe that means drop the load? I don't know. For you construction folks out there or someone that has this, let me know what that means. Left turn, I'm meaning that's returning the crane. Digging, okay, I dig that. You got music. Ooh, looks like we do have a light option here. No, these don't function. They're just dummies. That does work. And we do have some antennas up here. The dreaded screw, which explains why we have a Phillips. All right, so let's see how many batteries this takes. You're going to need 2 AA batteries to get the controller going. We have to install the battery, so let's do that and see if it has a charge, and let's turn this thing on.
A few moments later.
So we gotta unscrew this guy and then open this guy. We put our battery and check out the light. I'm going to attempt to control this a little bit. Let's see. First, I think I need to remove the boom from the ground. So, would that be uninstall? Let's try. Okay, yes. Uninstall puts the boom down. Let's lift the boom up, I think. That says digging. Okay. Oh my goodness. If y'all see the look on my face right now, jeez, this is fun. Okay, let's move forward. And let's turn. Oh yeah. Can't do a complete 360, but that's a darn good rotation. Oh, look at that, yo. This is so much fun. Oh man, I've seen plenty of YouTube videos on this, but I did not realize it's almost like the real thing, guys. This is insane. Look at that. They have like 3 other ones, and I wish I could have got all 3. Well, actually, I think yeah, it's 3. One of them was sold out. I forgot. I think it's the bulldozer that was sold out. But yeah, for the price, I wish I could have got all 3. That would have been awesome. But anyway, stay tuned for the real world review on this guy, because like I said, we're gonna find a sand pit somewhere, or if I have to build one myself, and we're gonna go out and do some real excavating and move some stuff around, so you don't want to miss that. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and yeah, leave a comment if you have something of this caliber, the same thing, and how do you like it, or if you have something bigger, because they do come in larger scales, but I don't have the room, so this is the perfect size for us. Yeah, before I go, let me show you something. So I did say that the bulldozer was sold out, but for the price, I also went ahead and got the dump truck. We got, like I said, we're gonna have our own construction crew here, ladies and gentlemen. And one more thing, the tractor. Yes, so I'm only missing that one, I believe this is the bulldozer. Yeah, so the dump truck should be pretty much self-explanatory. It's just pretty much driving a vehicle and just dumping your load. The tractor, on the other hand, would probably be, it should be relatively easy. It shouldn't be too difficult to learn how to run that. So let's try something, shall we? Let's see if it'll climb up on this box here. Oh, look at that, she got some traction. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so much fun, guys. Nope, you don't want to do that turn. Until the next one, well, let me put it like this. We still got to do the unboxing on this guy, and we still got to do the unboxing on this guy. Can't give y'all everything at once, can I? know it's, you know, we gotta break this down into a series, but we will get this one outside first, because I want to learn how to use this before I take these two out in the real world, because this one here takes some serious skill. So I really want to know how to use this one. So we will get the whole group out, and I will try to get the bulldozer. I'm super excited for this, guys. So stay tuned for the next unboxing of the dump truck, followed by the tractor, and No Pros RC. Y'all be easy. We're about to have some fun, boys and girls. We out. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.